Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to monetize a Snapchat or Snapchat account. For example, if you are a creator or want to become a creator on Snapchat and you want to monetize your Snapchat account, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So if you want to become a creator and want to earn on Snapchat, then what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply follow the first step, which is as that you have to simply convert your profile into public profile. So you have to simply click on public profiles and you have to simply create a new public profile. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply create highlights on your Snapchat, and after that you can simply send it for verification. And there are some conditions that you can simply monetize your Snapchat account. These conditions are simple as that you can simply get rewards on Snapchat if your account has these conditions, which means it is 1 month old, and after that your profile is public, and you have 1,000 followers, and you have received view of 10,000 in a month. And after that, you must post at least 10 times on at least 5 different days in that calendar month. So you have to follow this condition. And after that, you have to simply follow the community guidelines of the Snapchat, and you can also set up a payment method. And after that, if you are eligible to receive rewards from your Spotlight submission, you will receive a push notification in Snapchat app, and will also be notified in my profile, where you can tap my Snap Crystal to open the Crystal Hub. So in this way, you can simply monetize your Snapchat account or earn on Snapchat. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.